It's appropriate to describe a daily commute as unpredictable. Cars and pedestrians sometimes seem to appear out of nowhere. Thankfully, the available forward collision avoidance assist system in your Genesis is on the alert. If it determines that a collision with a moving vehicle in front of you or a pedestrian is imminent, it warns you and may even apply the brakes. How does it work? A camera mounted on the windshield connects with a radar sensor in the lower grille to look for vehicles or pedestrians in the road ahead. If it determines that a collision is likely, it sounds an alarm and flashes a visual alert. If an impact is imminent and you are traveling between 5 and 47 miles per hour, it may apply the brakes to limit its severity. But Forward Collision Avoidance Assist, or FCA, only works once it is activated. Press Setup. Then select Vehicle. Then Driver Assistance. Then Forward Safety. Here you have options. If you choose Active Assist, FCA alerts you if a collision is likely and may apply the brakes if one is imminent. If you select Warning Only, the system alerts you but does not apply the brakes. That is your responsibility. If you select Off, the system is deactivated. You'll notice that the FCA warning light in the instrument cluster is illuminated. You can also adjust how soon the system alerts you if a collision is likely. Press Setup. Then select Vehicle. Then Driver Assistance. Then Warning Timing. You will see two options, Normal and Late. In Normal, the system is sensitive, alerting you early to potential incidents. In Late, the forward collision warning is activated at a smaller distance between your vehicle and the vehicle or pedestrian ahead. It's important to know that the changes to warning timing are universal. They can impact other safety systems. Stability control must be turned on for FCA to function. If ESC is turned off, the ESC indicator will remain illuminated. Be sure to turn ESC back on, as Genesis recommends always driving with ESC on. If the system detects a collision risk is high, it will provide the forward collision warning. A warning message will appear in the cluster LCD display and a warning chime will sound. The vehicle may decelerate moderately on its own during this alert, but it will not apply maximum braking if you have selected Warning Only. You should control the brake directly. If the system detects a collision is imminent and the Active Assist has been selected, the emergency braking warning message may appear. The vehicle may apply brakes with the brake control maximized just before the collision to minimize the impact. FCA can be a great help, but it has its limits. It does not eliminate the need for careful attention on the part of you, the driver. For example, it may not fully function when driving on a curving road, on a slope, while changing lanes, or in certain weather conditions. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Also, FCA is not designed to recognize stationary vehicles. If you are approaching a stationary vehicle at a stop sign, for instance, the system may not recognize the vehicle until it begins moving. In addition, in certain instances and under certain driving conditions, the FCA system may produce a warning alarm and control the brake system unnecessarily. For a full list, see your owner's manual. Remember, you are the one driving your vehicle. The Forward Collision Avoidance Assist system can help, but safe driving is your responsibility.